we're gonna open this plastic, but my daddy cut this hole for me to open. I'll open it. It's big. Very big.
What's inside?
I know. Maybe it's not for me. I don't know. It's
Another bag?
another bag. This tape. There's tape, my mommy.
Oh yeah, mom will help you.
Mommy, go. Mommy.
Another one!
I see it. I can see something.
What color is it?
Green.
Green is for?
Slime.
Wow.
And also for daddy's t-shirt.
Or watch out.
Green like, no, not a knife. Don't show it in camera. Okay, don't see it in
Alright.
phone.
Let your parents do the cutting.
It's really hard. Slime. Two
So mommy will
packs.
keep the other one first.
Wait,
because
there's
it's
two
just the same.
packs?
Yeah, two for you.
Because I wished for that, right? This bubble wrap.
Watch out, mom.
Watch out for your fingers. It's so hard. You can rip your fingers. That's so long.
Oh my.
Something that you would like.
Just what you wished for. For being a good girl.
Yeah, come and look.
What does it say? Mr. Putty.
Mr. Buddy.
Can I see? Call me Mr. Putty.
That's the
Alright.
slime.
Okay, so we'll continue this video.
And part 2.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.